Do you make promises to your clients? I mean, do you? I mean, you know what a promise is. I mean, a real promise is, I promise to do this, so I'm going to do this. It's like a guarantee. In fact, in my estimation, it is a guarantee. When you talk about integrity, integrity is saying you'll do a thing and then doing a thing, right? Making good on that promise that you will do whatever you're supposed to do for the person you say you're going to do it for. And where better to use promises than in business? Do you know that there's a lot of wedding people and people in the wedding business that do not and will not make promises? You know why? Because they'll have to actually make good on them. They will have to stand in those promises and make sure that before the end of the event that promise comes true. So when they do have to do it, sometimes they'll make really easy promises like, I promise to put glasses on the table. That's an easy promise, because if the glasses don't come out, we can't put water on the table, we can't give them cocktails, we can't do that stuff, right? How about we promise that you'll be unbelievably happy? There's a tough promise. You want to talk about something that'll make you really become a better performer, a better businessman? Start promising the things that you're not sure that you can deliver on. Because trust me, you can. You really can. You just don't. I've seen a lot of guarantees out there and guaranteed for DJ contracts, and they see things like, well, we guarantee to show up on time and dress politely, and we won't set up when your guests arrive, and we'll play music that has good, clean lyrics. First of all, duh. Why wouldn't you do that? Everybody should do that, and that's really easy promises to make. I got it. So if you're in the business of maybe challenging yourself to create something else, to create yourself as a bigger thing so you can be bigger, so you can be a bigger performer, so you can be a more professional person, so you can charge more, then what you need to do is start challenging yourself in the bigger, more difficult promises to put out there. All right, what do you think? What kind of promises do you do? I know what I do. Why don't you tell me about some of them in the comments below? Send me some stuff at bill@billherman.com. Be sure to check out my workshop. You want to be a part of my workshop? It happens once, twice a year at the most. Just reach out to me. I'm really easy to find. And be nice to my sponsor. Go buy as much Electro Voice stuff as you can. And if you don't have the EV Evolves yet, you're missing out. Everybody's going to have them, and you're going to be left behind. I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.